fastest red engine on Sodor.
Oh.
James is a really splendid red engine who loves to go fast. Sometimes a little too fast.
James!
Out of the way, Toby! Hello, Knapford! Here's James! Hey, Emily!
Hello, James.
Oh, mind your speed, James, and stop showing off.
Huh!
He's right, James. Stopping sharply like that is bad for your brakes.
I can't help being fast, Emily!
Don't forget that time your wooden brake blocks caught fire.
Yes, I remember all that. But I got rid of my wooden brake blocks, and I was painted red. So good things came out of that accident, and I don't have brake problems anymore.
You might have problems again if you carry on like this.
I have to brake sharply sometimes, Emily. I'm the fastest red engine on Sodor.
Fastest red engine on Sodor, are you? What about Rosie?
Ha! Rosie's not fast, and she's not red either. She's more of a movie lilac.
She's red now. I just saw her today.
Rosie is red? Red? Like me red? James red? Splendid red? Are you teasing me? Thomas? Cars? Why do I have to pull cars? I'm too splendid for cars.
Too splendid.
That's what you think.
You can't pull coaches all the time.
You troublesome trucks are lucky to be pulled by me.